can't stop because I have to be there in time. Just arrived at my destination. The weather is now fine. There are only 2 places to stay around here. This one looks nice. It's a homestay, a private place where you can rent a room. Now, why I am here. A while ago I saw this video somewhere on Facebook. What you see are not birds, but bats, even hundreds of millions of bats. When I saw it, I knew I had to come here and see it sometime. Okay, it's time to go. I'm now at Wat Khao Chong Pran. It's also called the Bat Temple. Not the Bad Temple, the Bat Temple, like Batman. Right below me, where I stand, there must be a huge cave, and in this cave there are hundreds of millions of bats living. Every day at 6 o'clock they will fly out, get their food and return in the morning. So I'm not quite sure where the cave is. I walked a bit around, but it might be here because it really smells of bat shit. So let's see if I'm right. It's now 20 to 6. It's starting to rain as well. I'm thinking this might be the place where the bats will come out in like 15 minutes from now. Yeah, let's see. There, I can see them. Where did they come out? They're everywhere. Just not here. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Of course I was at the wrong place once again. Here's the entrance of the cave. They even built a big nice fancy dome. How did I not see it? I'm so fucking stupid. Now of course I missed the 100 millions of bats coming out. Can I go inside? Should I go inside? I'm a bit scared. Whoa. It smells just horrible inside here. And I mean really, really horrible. Okay, let's get out. Oh wow. That's a lot of cockroaches. I guess they live from the bed sheet or from the dead beds. Not a nice place to live at all. But I guess the beds must like it here. Some are still flying out. I hope they will find a lot of nice good food and return safe in the morning. Bye bye, bats.